If you're tired of hair fall, slow hair growth, or constant dandruff, and you don't want to depend on chemical-heavy products, then this video is for you. Today, we'll show you how to make a powerful homemade herbal hair oil using simple natural ingredients. Here are the ingredients that you need. Number 1. 1 cup of coconut oil, which will be our base. Coconut oil deeply nourishes the scalp, prevents dryness, and penetrates the hair shaft. Number 2. 1 handful of fresh or dried curry leaves. Curry leaves are rich in antioxidants, help reduce hair fall, support new hair growth, and prevent premature graying. Number 3. 2 tablespoons of slightly crushed fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds control dandruff, strengthen hair roots, and reduce scalp inflammation. Number 4. Fresh slices, or 2 tablespoons of dried amla. Amla is rich in vitamin C, strengthens hair follicles, adds shine, and improves scalp health. Number 5. 2 or 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera soothes an itchy scalp, reduces dandruff, and hydrates the scalp. Number 6. 1 small handful of neem leaves. Neem leaves are antifungal, antibacterial, and excellent for an itchy, flaky scalp. Number 7. 4 to 6 lightly crushed garlic cloves. Garlic improves blood circulation to hair follicles, strengthens weak hair roots, helps reduce hair fall, and has strong antifungal and antibacterial properties. Number 8. Half a medium finely chopped or crushed onion is one of the most effective natural ingredients for hair regrowth and scalp health. If you are facing issues in preparing the oil, mention it in the comments below and subscribe to our channel. Follow this preparation method for the herbal oil. Add 1 cup of coconut oil to a pan and heat on a very low flame. Add strong ingredients, crushed garlic cloves, and chopped onions to the pan. Let them heat gently until the onion turns slightly translucent and the garlic turns light golden. Add fenugreek seeds and keep heating for 2 minutes. Then add curry leaves, neem leaves, amla pieces to the pan and stir gently. Add aloe vera at the end. Keep the flame very low and stir continuously. Let everything simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. The oil will slightly darken and the aroma will change. Turn off the flame and let the oil cool completely. Strain well and store in a clean glass bottle. Your garlic-infused herbal hair oil is ready for use. Take a small amount and massage gently into the scalp. And if the scalp tolerates it well, you can leave it on overnight. Use the oil once or twice a week, and not daily. With consistent use, you'll observe a reduction in dandruff, stronger hair roots, reduced hair fall, and a healthier scalp environment. Results improve over 4 to 6 weeks with regular use. If this video helped you, please like it. Subscribe for more natural health and wellness tips, and mention in the comments the next video you wish to see.